Hi. How's your day?
Nice.
Very good. 520 guys and girls. Hold on. Hi. Good morning to each every one of you. One lovely morning. 520. Day 90 of not waiting for a week before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. See that? Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings. Do the same thing, okay? I hold on. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge. Do the same thing. Earn, save, invest on your own, not in any networking or in any pyramiding scams. Not too good to be true promises, business transactions, business proposals, or any promises. Sweet talks. Avoid that. Otherwise, when you got failed, you feel upset and your dreams will not push through. You will feel devastated, mad, angry, whatever kind of ill feelings. Okay? Road to 1 million pesos. Saving challenge. Bye for now. Earn. Save.